What's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn this old computer into Chromebook. We will have to have old computer and at least 8 gig flash drive. Plug in your flash drive into your computer and then open your internet browser and go to this website, and I will put link in the description below. Once you get to this website, scroll down and then click on download USB maker and then click on save file. Once the download is complete, you can open your download folder or just run it from here. And then in here, just press yes. And then right here, it's just basically stating that you need at least 8 gig or 16 gig USB stick, and it's gonna take minimum 20 minutes for USB installer to create. And then we need to click next here. And also they're stating that SanDisk device are not recommended. So if you have a SanDisk USB drive, try something else and then click next. And right here, just select your drive and then click next. And the installer is currently downloading your image. Once the process is complete, you just click finish here. And then go to your file explorer, click on this PC and eject the drive. Plug in your USB drive into your computer, start your computer and press F12 to boot into the boot menu. And right here, we need to choose USB storage device and then press enter. And right here, we just need to click on let's go. In here, we need to connect to Wi-Fi. Once we connect to Wi-Fi, click next. Then it's going to check for updates. I'm going to uncheck this right here. And then I'm going to click continue. And then in here, we need to sign into our Chromebook. So we need to use Gmail account. Then press next. And then we need to type our password and then click next. And then right here, we need to click on get started. And then in here, I'm just going to click do not remind me again. And that's it. We have Chrome OS installed on our laptop. There's a slight correction I need to make. Earlier, I stated that I'll show you how to install Chrome OS on your laptop, but it's actually installing on your USB drive. So for example, if you plug in your USB drive, you boot into it, you set everything up, and then once you shut down your system, and the next time whenever you decide to boot back into your Chrome OS, what you need to do, you need to plug in your flash drive and boot again into the boot menu and boot from your flash drive. Basically, Chrome OS is running from your flash drive, not from the actual computer hard drive. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.